Me and Raquel became like really good friends.
I don't give a about Raquel!
As the drama of Vanderpump Rules Season 11 continues, the real show-stopping storylines are rapidly unfolding off-camera, in court. The latest news? Tom and Ariana have both filed their responses against Rachel's lawsuit, where she accused them of revenge porn, invasion of privacy, eavesdropping, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. We've managed to obtain both court filings, so we're here to bring you all the juicy details as this reality show turned courtroom drama continues to go back and forth. While Tom responded in his usual fashion, thinking only about the fame in the show, claiming that Rachel's lawsuit was a thinly veiled attempt to extend her fame and to rebrand herself as the victim instead of the other woman, Ariana has gone to town, providing screenshots and evidence against Rachel's charges and requesting a judge strike the charges against her altogether. In this video, we'll be diving into Ariana's case, starting with a reminder of the charges Rachel filed against her and the damages she's seeking, followed by a deep dive into Ariana's filing and Rachel's subsequent response. All cards are on the table and there's everything to play for, so I can't wait to get into it. Before we dive in, here's a little reminder to subscribe if you're new. This channel is all about diving into the most talked about Bravo news and headlines, from Vanderpump Rules to Real Housewives, Summer House, and everything in between. So if you're a Bravo addict like me, don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest on-screen and off-screen drama. Turn on notifications and let me know what you want to see me cover next in the comments below. Let's dive in. Starting with a recap of Rachel's lawsuit. So, on the 29th of February 2024, Rachel filed a lawsuit against Tom Sandoval, Ariana Madix, and unnamed does 1 to 50 in the Superior Court of the State of California for eavesdropping, revenge porn, invasion of privacy, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. This lawsuit was 19 pages long and included a lot of interesting claims on multiple Vanderpump Rules cast members, including James Kennedy, Sheena Shea, Lisa Vanderpump, and Andy Cohen, and seemed to also implicate Bravo and Evolution. I've already done a 2-part deep dive into this suit, which will be linked below, so make sure you check it out. In her lawsuit, Rachel accused Ariana of 3 things. Number 1, revenge porn. In this cause of action, Rachel and her lawyers called Ariana a scorned woman seeking vengeance and accused her of distributing, disseminating, and publicly discussing at least 2 explicit videos of Rachel without her consent. These were the videos that Ariana found on Tom's phone when she discovered the affair. The suit states that Rachel believes that the videos were shared with Bravo, Evolution, members of the Vanderpump Rules cast, and others. For this cause of action, Rachel is seeking general and special damages in an amount to be proven at trial, as well as punitive damages. The next cause of action brought against Ariana was invasion of privacy, which repeats that Ariana obtained and distributed these videos of Rachel without her permission. Again, for this charge, Rachel seeks damages in an amount to be proven at trial, and punitive damages. The third and final charge Rachel brought against Ariana is intentional infliction of emotional distress, where Rachel boldly states that with VPR struggling in its 9th season, Ariana knew her job was in jeopardy, so she manipulated the news of the affair to stay on the show, quote, leveraging these salacious threads into the storyline Vanderpump Rules so desperately needed. The cause of action states, Sandoval's and Madix's acts were at all times extreme and outrageous and intended to cause Leviss emotional distress or performed with reckless disregard for the probability of causing such emotional distress. Again, for this charge, Rachel is asking for punitive damages as well as damages in an amount to be proven at trial relating to emotional distress, anxiety, pain, fear, physical injuries, medical expenses, and financial losses. She closed the case by asking that the defendants, Tom and Ariana, destroy, delete, and stop distributing the videos of her intimate body parts or engaging in sexual acts. So, now we know what Ariana is being accused of, it's time to dive into her response. On 26th of April 2024, Ariana, supported by her lawyers Jordan Sussman and Margot Arnold, filed a motion to strike the complaints made against her in the Superior Court of the State of California. Her declaration starts by acknowledging that Ariana is the defendant in the case, has knowledge of the events as they played out, and is willing to testify to what happened if called to the stand. It then goes on to describe Ariana's version of events, which mirrors her statements made on Vanderpump Rules when the scandal first erupted. For simplicity here, I'm going to be replacing anywhere it says plaintiff with Rachel's name. So, the declaration starts. As of March 1st, 2023, I had been in a committed relationship with defendant Tom Sandoval for over 9 years. During the evening of March 1st, 2023, I went to a club in West Hollywood, Tom Tom, to see Mr. Sandoval's band play. While playing, Mr. Sandoval's phone fell from his pocket and a mutual friend handed it to me. Because we had been in a committed relationship for so long, and because we trusted one another and presumably did not keep secrets from one another, I knew many of Mr. Sandoval's passcodes. including the one for his phone. I had previously accessed Mr. Sandoval's phone on other occasions with his knowledge and consent. For reasons I still do not know, call it a woman's intuition, when the set ended, I felt the need to check Mr. Sandoval's phone and went to the women's room for privacy. In a locked stall, I accessed Mr. Sandoval's phone and saw text conversations between Mr. Sandoval and Rachel that appeared incomplete because portions of them had been deleted, which made me suspicious. While other women waited to use the toilet, I opened the photo app on Mr. Sandoval's phone and was shocked to find a video of a FaceTime call between Mr. Sandoval and Rachel that showed Mr. Sandoval's face in the upper corner while the main image was of Rachel masturbating. I hurriedly took out my own phone and made 2 recordings of the FaceTime video. Prior to that moment, I considered Rachel a friend and did not know that she and Mr. Sandoval were having an affair. This is interesting that Ariana states that she recorded Tom's recordings as opposed to sending it to herself. I don't think this information has come out before, and I wonder if this will make a difference to how a court rules when it comes to the accusations against Ariana distributing the footage. Is re-recording it on her own device any different to sending it to herself? And does that count as distribution? We'll have to wait and see. Ariana is also clearly stating here that she had no idea until this point that Tom and Rachel were having an affair, blatantly fighting back against Rachel's claims that Ariana knew and manipulated the way it came out to improve the season's ratings and secure her place on the show. The declaration continues. I left the bathroom and walked up to Mr. Sandoval, who asked if I wanted to go into the alley for a cigarette. In the alley, I confronted Mr. Sandoval about his affair with Rachel. Concerned that people might overhear us, Mr. Sandoval tried to move me away from the club. Around the same time, I sent the videos I recorded to Rachel, along with a text message reading, "You are dead to me." If we think back to Rachel's lawsuit, she also recalls this text exchange. In her cause of action, Leviss battered after Madix steals and sends illicit videos, Rachel says she was with Sheena at a bar after filming Watch What Happens Live when she received a text saying, "You are dead to me," along with 2 videos that Ariana had found on Tom's phone. Luckily, Ariana kept the receipts, so let's pause the declaration here to take a look at the screenshot Ariana included in her filing. Clearly, the videos have been removed or redacted from this iMessage thread, but you can see that Ariana did in fact send the "You are dead to me" message, which it seems Rachel didn't respond to for 2 whole days, which is absolutely wild. Ariana then curses Rachel out and stops sharing her location with her. Right, back to the declaration. It continues. I did not send the videos to anyone else, nor did I share, display, or show the videos to anyone else. To be clear, I only saw the video of Rachel masturbating in places secluded from others, i.e. alone in the bathroom stall and in the alley with Mr. Sandoval. This is a key point of Ariana's case, I think, as the fact that no one could have overheard, seen, or been sent the videos of Rachel, by Ariana at least, will be important for dropping the charges against her when it comes to revenge porn and invasion of privacy. She carries on, a heated argument ensued between me and Mr. Sandoval, and Mr. Sandoval forcibly grabbed my phone from my hands, causing my credit cards and driver's license to fall to the pavement. I quickly grabbed my cards off the pavement and chased after Mr. Sandoval, who had further distanced himself from the club. By the time I caught up to him, Mr. Sandoval had deleted from my phone the videos I had recorded of the FaceTime video. Mr. Sandoval also deleted the videos from the recently deleted folder on my phone. Again, key points to make here. As Ariana is claiming she only had these videos on her phone for a matter of minutes, sending them to Rachel in the heat of the moment to confront her before Tom deleted them means she didn't have the time or opportunity to distribute or share them with anyone else. It will be interesting to compare this to Tom's response, which we'll be doing a deep dive into next week, to see if his story matches Ariana's. Ariana's declaration then says, minutes later, I texted one of my friends, Logan Cochran, about what had happened, stating, I called Rachel after finding out and texting her the videos of herself from Tom's phone that I took. Tom took my phone and deleted them, chased him all the way down San Vincent. Again, Ariana has the screenshots of the text conversation to prove that she told Logan she had found the videos, sent them to Rachel, and then Tom deleted them. So this further backs up her argument. I guess we'll be seeing Logan testifying in court if this goes that far. The declaration concludes, after learning about the affair, I began informing my family and other close friends about Rachel's affair with Mr. Sandoval, including how I learned about it by discovering the text and the FaceTime video on Mr. Sandoval's phone. So, in this final line, Ariana is admitting that she told friends and family about the affair and the videos she found, which is how people like Kristen Doty knew what they contained, but she is adamant that she never even had the opportunity to share them with anyone else. What do you guys think? Do you believe Ariana that she never shared the videos with anyone? Let me know in the comments below. After Ariana filed her declaration, attorney Margot Arnold and Vice President and Chief Forensic Examiner Joseph Greenfeld also filed declarations in support of Madix's motion to strike Rachel's complaint. giving her some professional backup on her side. But Rachel's lawyers were quick to respond, slating Ariana's declaration and the evidence she provided. Mark Garagos and Brian Friedman have been quoted saying, "The only thing more laughable than Ariana's motion is her fairy tale account of how she discovered the relationship from Tom's phone. Meanwhile, we look forward to cross-examining her on her declaration as we have irrefutable evidence that the videos were distributed." The forensic expert states that the video is not now on her phone, well after the events in question and with months of notice that her actions had put her in legal jeopardy. So basically, Rachel's lawyers are accusing Ariana of making up the story of how she found the videos, maintaining their stance that she did in fact share them, and seem to be implying that she may have doctored the screenshots to make it look like she deleted the videos, implying that although months later they're not on her phone, she may have had access to them for a lot longer than simply a few minutes before Tom deleted them. What do you guys think? I wonder what proof Rachel has up her sleeve of the video being distributed. I assume more screenshots. Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to chat with you all about it. Taking a deep dive into LA court records, we can see that the next hearing date is set for the 24th of May 2024 to review the motion to strike, so we'll be sure to bring you an update if more news is released then. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for our deep dive into Tom's response. As to be expected, Tom, always the most dramatic, has filed a 28-page objection to Rachel's charges, so I can't wait to unravel that one with you all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and let me know what you want to see me cover next in the comments below. I'm currently really loving diving into these lawsuits, guys, so if you're interested in the Andy Cohen scandal or the cases brought by Leah McSweeney and Caroline Manzo against Bravo, or any of the other Bravo courtroom drama, just let me know in the comments. Plus, if you can't wait until our deep dive into Tom's response, why not head over to our Vanderpump Rules playlist for more breakdowns of all the on and off-screen drama, including Ariana and Tom's living situation, and our two-part video on Rachel's initial lawsuit. See you next time.